How to fix WhatsApp call connecting problem. Now, here on WhatsApp application, if you try to call someone, then you cannot actually call someone because there is a connecting problem. Then what you want to do is to first check for your Wi-Fi connection. Now, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Now, if it's not stable, then you may want to prefer to go and use your cellular data. Now, if it still doesn't work like that, then what I want you to do next is to go here to your settings and go here to your iPhone storage and go to your WhatsApp here. And then for Androids, you can clear cache your WhatsApp application. And then for iPhones, you can offload the application here and reinstall the application again. Now, if you reinstall the application, it doesn't mean you will be deleting all the data, all the contacts that you have with your WhatsApp application. It's just refreshing the application, meaning there the data, the information are still intact on your WhatsApp application. Now, the next thing that you want to do if it still doesn't work is you have to restart your application here. Now, if it still doesn't work like that, then the last option would be to install and to uninstall and then reinstall your WhatsApp application again. And basically that is how you fix WhatsApp call connecting problem, and that is all for today. Now before that is you can go to your settings here and go to WhatsApp, WhatsApp here, and make sure to actually turn on your contacts there to allow your contacts. And if it doesn't work, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.